guys, my today's video is about Maybelline New York Green Satin Skin Foundation. It's a liquid foundation. It comes in total 8 shades and I chose shade number B3. This is how Maybelline Green Satin Silk Foundation looks like. It comes in a cylindrical glass jar with a plastic cap on top of it to secure this pump. This has a pump on top of it. This pump is a skin color pump which has a silky satin smooth foundation finish to it. Foundation, wow. I'm reviewing foundation, so I'm talking about foundation. Packaging is really good and you can easily carry this in your makeup pouch wherever you go. But yes, since this is made of glass, so I would say handle with care. I've already dropped this bottle twice. Thank God it didn't break. I would suggest you that please don't take any such chances because maybe I was just lucky. Otherwise my money would have been wasted. So let's just see what Maybelline has to say about their product. Maybelline says that it's an airwave liquid foundation which is enriched with SPF 24 and this is a unique airsoft formula, provides poreless, satin smooth looking skin, extraordinary coverage that does not clog pores. It's long lasting and moisturizing all day. So let's just see whether it fares, whether Maybelline fulfills their promises or not. This foundation has become my favorite makeup base these days. Whenever I'm going out for any event, any parties, I'm using this foundation. I think I've used more than 10 times this foundation these days, and you can see only this much has been finished because you need just a little for one time usage. It's really smooth and glides so comfortably on your skin. Even if you try to use this foundation with your fingers, if you want to apply this foundation with your fingers, it works really well, which is a rare case with a lot of foundations. You can comfortably use this foundation whether in the daytime as well as in the evening. You can adjust the quantity of the foundation accordingly, and the best thing about this foundation is that it doesn't give you a cakey or a whitish kind of look. I mean, it will add little glow to your face. Obviously your face will look better complexion as compared to rest of your body, but that's I think what makeup does to your face. So you have to balance out, you have to strike a balance so that you are not looking like a white hair and rest of the body is not matching to your face. So that is the kind of balance you have to work on. This foundation gets absorbed in skin so quickly, within no time. I feel that even if you apply this foundation say half an hour before you leave for any event, this gets absorbed really fast. And but I would still advise you to do your base makeup at least 1 hour before you step out. I have kept this foundation from morning till evening and I haven't experienced any kind of pimples or any acne or any other thing, any marks on my face after its usage. So it proves that this doesn't clog the pores. Makeup done with this foundation stays all day long and it's really long lasting. You need a makeup remover or you need to wash your face really well to get rid of this makeup. Foundation is enriched with SPF 24, so I don't have to add any sunscreen while I'm doing my base makeup. Yeah, I'm quite happy and very satisfied with this product. This product is priced at rupees 700. I know that once you hear 700, you are like, oh, 700. But trust me, once you get this product, you won't feel that you have wasted your money or you have spent too much on any product, because this foundation you don't apply on regular basis. You normally apply foundation when you are stepping out, when you're going to a party, special events, not to the regular I mean, at least I don't do that. So for the girls like me, so we use this foundation occasionally and we need just a little each time. So I think it's fine, even if this foundation lasts for 3 to 4 months, I think this is great. And I believe that you should always invest in a good foundation, because foundation is base of your makeup. So you should always invest in good quality foundation. You can go with any quality of eyeliner, lipstick, kajal or whatever, but your foundation has to be right, otherwise your makeup won't look that great. So summing up, if I will say, this is a long lasting foundation. It is easy to apply, it glides very easily, it gets absorbed really quickly, it provides sun protection. It is, you can also apply using your fingertips, and you need just a little each time. So I will give this product a rating of 5 out of 5. Yes, thumbs up, Maybelline. I'm so happy, so satisfied with your product. And if you guys are looking forward to invest in some kind of foundation, some good quality foundation maybe, then you can refer to this foundation. I think you will not regret it. And even if you have oily skin or normal skin, or like any kind of skin, this foundation will suit you well. But you have to be very careful with the shade, because right shade is very important when you are choosing a foundation for yourself. So that's it. So that was the review. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to hit like, comment and subscribe. Till then, take care. Bye.